Hello, welcome. I'm Stephen Watson. This is Sunday Farm, and you're watching today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is about taking into your practice. So for me, it's in my form, but it can be other elements of your practice. Taking a bit of wisdom into the practice and consciously carrying it throughout the practice. Sometimes I carry it more like just to keep it in the foreground on my mind so I don't wander and go somewhere else, and I keep with that wisdom. Maybe that wisdom slowly reveals more of itself to me, different layers. And other times I'll carry it more like, it's a bird falling out of the nest, and I'm carrying it in a really carrying way to look out for it. So I'm carrying it through with that in mind. That doesn't mean it needs me, but it not needing me may not mean it won't benefit by my caring. So that caring conveyance is something that I like to do with the practice too. So I got my Janet G bookmark, which was bookmarking something in Nick Turn's book, a little nudge, and okay, so there we go. Sometimes I'll do it with a particular wisdom. Sometimes I'll just flip open a book where I might find some and just kind of randomize it and then just carry that through. Also, you might do it verbally and you might do it without vocalizing, but it's still a verbal practice. So this is not exactly like a mantra. This is more trying to carry something in the fore of the consciousness through the practice to maintain your relationship to that wisdom and perhaps deepen it. So enjoy that. Remember, in many ways, you are the wisdom that your teacher has offered the world. So good for them. Great for you.